In this video, what we want to learn is that we are going to learn about loops. So what loops does is that they run a specific code block up until a specific condition it has been reached to be true. So let us do this by an example. Let's say we are writing an exam, and the exam time, it will take, for example, 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, the exam will be over. Let's say exam time is equal to 5 seconds. All right. And then what we want to do is that we want to alert the user how many seconds are left during the exam. So we're going to say we are going to use the first type of loops, which is called while loops. All right, we are going to say while, and then we do this, and then all right. So here we are going to put the condition, then to say exam time. If exam time is if exam time going to say if exam time is less than time, like this. If we say if exam time it is less than this time, and then here we are going to give int. We're going to say int time is equal to 0, like this. And then we are saying that if the exam time if the exam time it is less than this time, we are going to print while loop exam ongoing, and then we say time left is, and then we put the format specifier here, and then we put the time which is left. I'm going to say exam time is minus the time we have. And then after doing this, we are going to print want to write this in new line. We're going to print also All right, we are going to say time, and then we are going to we are going to increment the time every time this code runs. So okay, we say if exam time it is smaller than this. All right, you have a problem with this condition. Let's say if the exam time now it reached this time, so this time it will be the time when like the examination has started, and then this one it will be the time it will be the time the whole exam should take. So when like this time is equal to this time, we this whole thing it will stop running. So then like here after that, then we are going to print we're going to print we're going to print time up. Great. So let us save this, and then we are going to upload. And then all right, another thing let us do is that let us comment everything up there. So we're going to comment all this code here, all this code here. Great. So now all this code above it is commented out. So now let us save this and build and run. Now it says, oh okay, we forgot to put this here. And then let us save this, and then let us run this. All right, we need to say build and run. It says time up. All right, so here we have a problem. It didn't print this one here. Let's see what was the problem. Exam time. So all right, okay, let us just remove this here, and then let us upload and then build and run. Okay, right, let's just put a value like this, and then let's say build and run. All right, so we still get the problem. Okay, we say instead of this, let us make this to be this time. About build and run. There we go. So now we have this. It says while loop exam is going, and then let us replace here this exam time minus this time here, and then let's see what like we are going to get this time around. Abort this and say build and run. There we go. Say while loop exam is going, and then the say time left is it is 5, and then says 4, and this 3, it is 2, it is 1, and then up until this point it say no, the time is up. So let us see again what happens here on the while loop. Is that the first thing that happened is that we say while, and then we put the condition that we want it to be met. If this condition it is met, this code block it will not be it will not run again. But if the condition has not been met, this code it will run. So we can see here the first time the condition it is not run, exam time, which is this one, it is greater than 0. It says okay, while loop exam ongoing, time left it is 5. So this 5 we got from this expression here. And then you see here what we do is that before we move out of this while loop, what we do is that we say this time we add it, we add one on this time here. So we say okay, it was 0, and then we say +1, and then when we say +1, this loop it will run again, and then here it will be 1, and then now it will be exam time, which is 5 minus 1, and then we are going to get 4, and then the cycle it will repeat, it will continue up until this time it is equal to this exam time. And then when this one it is not the case, if this one it is no longer true, then it will jump and say time up. So that's how you can use a while loop in a C program. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video, where we are going to talk about for loops.